Dear all, I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Environmental Protection and Management. In this video, I'm going to give an overview about the syllabus of this particular subject. As you know, there are 5 modules in this subject. The subject code is 18CV753, which is applicable for 7 semester students. It is also depending on the university. So let us move on to the module 1. In module 1, you will be learning environmental management standards. Also, you are dealing with the various environmental problems first. Later, what is the purpose of environmental standard by maintaining by the various corporate world? So what are the classification of environmental impact reduction efforts? So you are preparing the checklist. You will be learning about different tools and techniques to segregate the importance of sustainable production and consumption, and you will be learning about various models as well. Similarly, you are going to learn about environmental management principles. Also, you are familiar with the various policies associated with environmental protection. So at the end of the video, you'll be getting an idea about the need for environmental protection and management. Moving on to module 2, environmental management objectives. That's the title of module 2. Here you are going to learn environmental quality objectives, rationale of environmental standards, or in that you will be learning what is concentration and mass standards with examples, effluents and stream standards with the suitable examples, emission and ambient standards, minimum national standards, environmental performance evaluation. Also, you are learning about various benchmarking. These are the quality control techniques, benchmarking, how you are going to maintain benchmarking, what are the types of benchmarking. Also, you are talking about pollution control versus pollution prevention. What are the various differences between pollution control and pollution prevention? Also, you are finding out the barriers as well as opportunities. Similarly, we are going to inspect what is the importance of cleaner production and cleaner technology with the suitable examples. So you are at the end of this session, you are going to learn about zero discharge technology, the importance of zero discharge technology. These are the major contents which you are going to cover in module 2. Moving on to module 3. Module 3 is typically the detailed study about various standards like EMAA standard. So one of the example of EMAA standard is ISO 14000. Also, you are going to learn about another standard called ISO 14001. So a detailed review about these particular standards. You are preparing a lot of checklists regarding this particular standard, how to implement this standard in the real-time corporate. All right. The fourth module is dealing with auditing procedures. Suppose an environmental program has been developed in a company or an organization. How to conduct the auditing? What are the procedure for conducting the auditing? Just for the inspection, what are the checklists to be followed? What are the roles and the qualifications required for an auditors? Okay, what are the various steps for preparing the audit? All the information will be discussed in this session. Also, there are different formatting or available for conducting the auditing. Okay, so you are dealing with those format as well. Module 5 is dealing with the various applications of EMS, like what are the opportunities of EMS in the area of textile industry, sugar industry, pulp and paper industry, electroplating industry, tanning industry, etc. So in that each cases, you are finding out the opportunities. Fine. So why EMS, environmental management system, is required for those typical industries. Similarly, you are learning about different classification of waste. So there are categories. Okay, so you can get a brief idea about the various type of waste which is still prevailing in the surroundings. Also, different wastewater treatment methods. Various methods are available. You are going to study the various methods of waste disposal. And also one of the concepts for the transboundary movement, and finally dispersal. These are the 5 modules, which is quite simple and you can manage it. It is offering by civil engineering department. Okay, it's a general subject only, everybody can manage. You are dealing with the environmental protection system, how you are going to manage those environmental protection system, which is already implemented in a particular organization. At the end of this course, you will be familiar in the appreciate the elements of corporate environmental management system, complying to international environmental management system standard with suitable examples. With the help of examples, if you write, you will understand it very clearly. Okay, try to correlate with the examples. I'll be also mentioning the various examples. Lead pollution prevention assessment teams and implement waste minimization option. So that is another course outcome. At the end, you will be learning development, implement, maintenance, and audit environmental management for organization. These are the course outcome. At the end of the course, you should be able to explain these concepts. So you can refer the following materials. It is directly available via online. You can just search in that. Definitely you will be getting those reference books. So in this session, I have majorly discussed about the syllabus overview of environmental protection and management. Let me know if you are having any questions related to this topic. I'm very happy to answer. You may put your comments in the comment box so that we can reply it very fastly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a happy learning.